How to reset privacy settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on internet privacy protection. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on reset privacy settings. Then tap on reset, and that's it. That is how you can reset your privacy settings, and all of the settings in here will be switched back to the default. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.